Welcome to Sauce It Live.
So we're here today to look at 6 of the star products from our new edition of Sauce It. I'm going to start with my personal favourite, which is the turkey red pepper and chorizo. So we've used the spiced tomato sauce from Verstegen in this one. Big lumps of chorizo that we've seasoned with the beefsteak spices and the DS Bond into there. We've got the red peppers, yellow peppers and the red onion into there as well. Makes a really nice dish. I mean, the profit's great in that because you've got your veggies in there as well, and it's a really good hearty dish for the customers.
The DS Bond?
Oh, so
I didn't use it on this.
Yeah, the reason we use the DS Bond in this one, it's mainly with your water-based sauces. It helps to absorb all the excess moisture. So all the little pools of water that you would get coming from the peppers, the chorizo, the onions.
It's really thick, that.
It does. It really helps to thicken it up, and it's a brilliant product.
Well done, Matt. That might be a great product, but that's a fantastic one.
Well, I have to agree.
Looks great. Look at the visuals on that.
Citrus pork tomahawks. When I've made it up, I thought it just looked too colourful. You know what I mean? It looks a bit. I thought it would be messy, but maybe it's the black pan and that. But it really catches your eye. So basically, red onions, chopped peppers, with the addition of lemon wedges in. Right.
So you put them in as well. That help caramelise up. Or,
yeah, they'll cook up, sweeten up, lovely, and then once you bring it out over the top, we've used the Verstegen well-grilled Spanish harvey, which has got that onion and garlic in too, and also it's got citrus flecks like orange and lemon peel in, and we've added a little bit extra lemon peel over the top.
Smell it smells amazing.
It's so fresh.
No, you can smell it all over, can you? It's, I mean, that coming out the oven, bit of bread or something.
You'll have to get it in the oven.
Well, I think we are later on, so yeah, that'll go in. All right. How we then top that?
Easy. Over here, we got the weekday Wellingtons.
You had to pull a pastry out, didn't you?
Absolutely. I love a little bit of pastry. These are midweek Wellingtons. What we've used there is some chicken breast inner fillets. So 3 or 4 just concertinaed on the top. A little bit of diced red onion and then some garlic sliceable sauce in the middle. 7-inch square pastry. Just bring all the corners together. Give it a crimp around the edge, and we painted that.
It's easy for you to say, like.
You make it sound ever so easy.
Cold hands, really easy. So when that's cooked off, it roasts off nice and brown. As soon as you cut into it, you're getting that theatre of all the sauce coming out.
And they'll lend themselves to anything.
My personal favourite's the garlic, but my wife likes the barbecue one with the barbecue sliceable on the inside.
I think that'd be the one for me as well. Yeah, I like a bit of barbecue.
Oh, definitely. Yeah, as I say, any of the well grills will work with any of the sliceables, whichever your clientele likes, really. Yeah, they tell you what they like flavour-wise.
Yeah, that's it.
Mexican madness with like a chili in the middle.
That'd be lovely. Nice bit of spice to it then as well, wouldn't it? Yeah.
Oh, I'd have to put cheese in it though.
Yes. That would
cheese,
work. That would work. Good one for Scotland, that.
Yeah.
They love the Mexican madness up there.
So after those lovely pastry products, Colin, we're going to move on to the pour-over pasta dishes. Now, this is a concept that we've been coming up with as a team for quite a while now. The basic idea is that you would sell the meat, the veg and the sauce to the customer. They cook a set amount of pasta per portion at home because everyone's got pasta in the cupboard at home.
So easy.
Oh, yeah. I mean, I've done these at home.
Is that the one that you done for me?
Yes, it was. Yeah, that's it.
Fantastic. Have you tried that?
I haven't tried that one. No, not that one.
So in there, this one's the smoked ham and pea with a little bit of red onion. But I mean, you can do a carbonara style. We're featuring that in the sauce. We're also doing a bolognese as well.
That's my favourite, the bolognese. Love it.
Yeah, really nice.
It lends itself to any of them, really, doesn't it?
Oh, definitely. Yeah. Oh, there's
a good concept for the butchers.
Oh, 100%. I mean, it's that quick, easy tea. I mean, tea in 25 minutes, boil a bit of pasta, chuck that in the oven. If you put it in an oven-ready tray, customer can throw that away at the end, mix the two together, and that's the family fed.
That's it.
Great idea.
Use the storeroom, cupboard stuff up as well, aren't
Exactly, yeah, perfect.
While pasta's always perfect, it won't beat a Parmo.
Aye.
So we've rung the changes a little bit. This Verstegen do a Gouda Schnitzel crumb, like a real cheesy crumb. So we've just made the chicken fillet as normal, battered it out a little bit, put the batter on, the Gouda Schnitzel, which has got little flecks of cheese in, the gratin sauce, and then I've grated Gouda cheese over the top. And it looked a bit of a yellowy plate, so we've put a bit of the
sauce
bit of my favourite, bit of French taco on there.
Yeah, a bit of French taco on. Fantastic. Wait till you try them later.
Oh,
Can't wait.
They,
Cheese with extra cheese.
Double cheese.
Perfect job. And I mean that creamy gratin sauce as well. I bet that just brings the whole thing together.
Yeah. I know you always pull us to bits over it, but we're taking over the world.
Yeah. Well, to be fair, it's come into my repertoire as well as the Parmo.
Yeah. Everywhere you go, it's like, oh, Parmos, yeah, I've heard of them, and you show how easy they are, how versatile. But the standard ones, I know we've got hot shot in this, haven't you? But the standard Parmos outsell 10 to 1 the others.
Right.
You know what I
Any
mean?
crumb at all,
And
really,
they shouldn't work because they're so boring. You know what I mean? Cheese, chicken, and a white sauce. We'll put them together. You know what I mean?
Brilliant,
They're a meal fit for a king.
Brilliant. Well, for a simple Yorkshire lad like me, unfortunately, it's a chicken pizza.
It does look a little bit like one, Matt.
But I'd probably get kicked out of Middlesbrough for that.
Yeah, you would. Yeah, I think I'm pushing the bounds of decency there with that.
And to finish off with, we've got a perfect accompaniment here. What we've got there, we've got some sweet potato and chorizo tray bake. I mean, any kind of side dish, you can use it as a main dish if you wanted to. All we've done there is got some sweet potato, diced it in 1/2-inch squares, added the chorizo, bit of sea salt and lang palm pepper, well grilled. Same again, a little bit of garnish with some French taco and some parsley, and away you go. Yeah, it goes
so
with anything.
simple.
Yeah.
I mean, sweet potato is so popular anyway.
It really is.
And adding the chorizo is even better.
Adds a different depth of flavour.
Oh,
Yeah, but if you didn't put the chorizo in and something else, peppers or something, then you've got like a...
I mean, you can put some peppers, some
vegetarian
onions,
dish, haven't
whatever you like,
know what I
maybe,
mean?
Pete. Yeah, you're right.
Because these side dishes are massive.
Oh,
And,
huge.
you know, it's increasing the basket spend, you know. You've only got to look at the supermarkets and the range they do of stuff. You know,
Well,
Butcher
it's a
can
no-brainer,
capitalise on that. And, you know, they come in, oh, what can I have to go with that? Oh, well, Mrs. Housewife, we've got
Perfect.
this here, and they cook at the same time, it'll be perfect for you.
Oh, definitely,
It's like these one-pot dishes.
So simple to make, so easy.
Straight in, bang them in, watch EastEnders, and then the tea's
You're away,
ready.
That's it.
perfect.
Easy enough.
Other TV shows are available.
Right, fellas, what do you think about this Verstegen product? Why do we use Verstegen?
I mean, it's one of the best in my view.
That's it.
Exactly,
Full
yeah.
stop. The best.
Simple, yeah. I mean, it's so versatile. I mean, like we were saying before with the Wellingtons, with the Verstegen range, the sliceables that they have, the World Grills, I mean, even the sauces, you can make so many different products. And I mean, you can almost see a product in a restaurant or on a TV program and you can replicate those same flavours. It might not look the same, but you can definitely get the flavours
I mean, with
there.
the World Grills there, I mean, I find you put those in your counter and they'll last for 2-3 days. They'll look exactly the same as what they will. Not that they will last that long in your counter, looking like that. But I say the sheen's
it'll be
amazing.
5 days if I make them. Cause
With a wonky crim.
As I say, even vegetables, meat, pastry, you can use it for anything really.
Yeah.
Well, the bit we haven't touched on, like fish, prawns.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? We all have
Yes,
customers
yes.
who do a cracking good job with fish products, with the sauces and the World Grills.
Definitely, yeah.
You know what I mean? It's a protein, because we don't have much to do with it, we forget about it, but it's still very versatile.
Definitely, yeah, the teriyaki salmon's got to be up there.
And
Definitely.
getting back to your Parmos, I mean, the different variations in crumbs you can use.
Yes,
Whatever flavour you want, whatever visuals you
if
like.
you must. Yeah.
I know that's your favourite, Pete, just yeah. So,
That's it. But yeah, it is. I mean, it's just a great range. I mean, the crumbs as well. The Cajun crumb especially, I think that's one of my favourites. It's got that little bit of heat. It's got...
I don't think we touch on them enough.
No.
I know we've tried 2 or 3 times, but like crumbing's not a big thing.
No.
Is
Just
it
could
in
do a
the
lot more.
UK? Yeah, they
Could do a
could.
heck of a lot more.
I think they miss out on the opportunity there.
Oh,
with the
definitely.
crumbing. Right, lads, I'm going to take a minute to talk about the products we've used.
Yeah, definitely.
World Grills.
World Grills, I mean, they're a great product. Add so much shine to the counter, brilliant flavour to them, and the Best thing about these 3 that we've selected, they're all pure world grills. With Natasha's law in as well, it's something that everyone really needs to be looking at now.
That's it. And so versatile in the publication.
Oh,
You can
definitely.
use them for anything. Vegetables, you can use them for any protein. It works well with them all.
Oh, 100%.
Water-based, obviously the DS.
Yeah, the DS is a vital ingredient with these
Yeah,
water-based
which we've
sauces.
seen with the turkey.
Oh, definitely, yeah. I mean, that's with the spiced tomato sauce that we used. It just helps it to stay really nice and thick. And
Yeah,
and
see
same with the other 2 that we've got there as well.
And your crumbs as well.
And the batter mix,
Yeah, and the batter mix, yeah.
which is too big to get on. But, yeah, the crumbs, Dale Schnitzel, the Gouda, and there's loads.
You can keep going. These are just the
I
3
mean,
of
I
each
can't even
week
remember
rows.
half of them.
No, no.
I think the reps have got a full list of them, but I can't remember much. I think these products just sort of, the butchers, if they've got these in the storeroom, there's just so much like instant choice for them.
Oh, definitely, yeah.
They can create a product straight away, react to it if it goes well or if it doesn't go well.
You can just change it with any protein you like or anything at all.
That's it, yeah. You've got to work to your customers, and I mean, the Verstegen range is just perfect for that, isn't it?
When a butcher's got this in his storeroom, the opportunities to make his counter look better,
the vibrancy is
interest,
beautiful. Just
and
catch
not
people's
just that.
eye.
And if he's got this product that's sticking, right? There's lots of options. If say a pork loin, right? So you've got a pork steak, so you've got 4 different flavours. Do you know what I mean?
Oh,
and you can tie them into like a bulk deal, buy 4 for X, things like that.
100%.
And it can help you to move product.
Oh,
I think that's the beauty of when we go out. We tailor the demo experience to the customer. It's not just we want to show you bit, bat and bob. We'll ask, have you got a problem? Do you need to move something? And it's tailored to their business.
Yeah.
And
you make
help
that.
move more product. It really does.
Oh, definitely. And the best thing, like with your crumbs and stuff like that, is utilising byproduct. That little bit of sausage meat in the bottom of the fillet.
Yeah.
Those little bits and bats that just always stick about that you always wonder what to do with. Sliceable sauce in the middle, bit of crumb around the outside.
Yeah, but then you create the problem of it goes from being a waste product. You have to do an
Exactly,
extra
yeah,
2 or
that's
3.
it. But I suppose that's where the money is.
Yeah, exactly.
That's it. I mean, there's no reason having this sort of stuff in your counter with the colours, the different flavours, that the sales are just going to be, be driven forward so well.
Because when their customer walks in and sees it, their eyes are drawn straight to it.
Oh, definitely, yeah, and sort of moving things around in the counter as well.
Yeah,
Keep
makes
the
a
customer looking. Yeah,
That's it.
definitely. So
Oh, come on, ma'am.
now
What's
we've
this?
got the smoked ham and
Pasta.
pea pasta. We'll get that into there. Whoa.
Now that looks the part.
Perfect. Lots of that. Thank you, Pete. Just give that a nice little fold together. Oh,
Whoa.
You smell the smoke just coming through a little bit there.
Yeah, it is.
Beautiful.
Yeah, the smoked bacon.
that's it. Paired with that mushroom sauce, it's absolutely mega.
It smells buttery as well.
Oh, yeah.
That's it.
Perfect.
How simple again. So easy.
Really quick, easy tea.
Yeah, absolutely.
Just a couple of stirs, covered all the pasta perfectly.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, that's the beauty. I mean, we've done a little bit of legwork with this one just to make sure that we get the recipes right for the right amount of pasta. That's quite important when you're selling this product, is that
the quantities.
the quantities have to be right. Otherwise, you're going to have too little sauce for the pasta or too much. It's
And the peas don't have like freshen it up. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that
Make
little
it-
bit of green colour just running through there, and it's it makes all the difference. Definitely.
That's it.
Yeah, that's a great concept. that,
So
man.
the other sauces as well we
Really
can use with that.
Yeah, other sauces. I mean, in the addition, we've got the carbonara that we've done.
And you use the gratin.
We use the gratin sauce for that one, yeah. But I mean, there's all sorts that you can do.
That spiced tomato, that
yeah.
would work well.
Yeah, spiced tomato with the bacon as well in that one, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
The beef bolognese one.
Yeah, we've
With
got
the
beef
spiced
bolognese
tomato?
with the spiced tomato, yeah.
Chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Seafood?
100%. Yeah, there's no reason why not. Yeah, no reason why not at all. And I mean, if you don't like peas, take the peas out, use something else. I mean, the basic idea is same amount of meat as your veg, and then double that amount of sauce. So whether it's bacon, red onion and peas, or whether it's chicken, bacon and sweet corn, just
Ooh,
keep
that'd
to
be
that
a nice one.
ratio.
Yeah, I like the sound of that
and
one.
you can create all
That's
sorts.
simple for anybody to make as well.
Oh,
in the
definitely,
shop,
yeah.
Easy.
Definitely.
Wow, look at these products. I mean, half a dozen products there. Any butcher should be proud to put them on the counter.
Oh, definitely. And I don't know about you two, but I can't wait to get out on the road and show
Oh,
these.
Definitely. I mean, that concept there, the pour over pasta, absolutely brilliant. That's, you know, that's a great dish. But which is your favourite? That's mine.
Yeah, to be honest, I'm going to have to go with you there, Pete.
We got 3 agreements there, definitely.
Yeah, I
Perfect
think
job.
that's a great looking product. Great looking product. I'll tell you what, fellas, I can't wait to do all this again.
Oh,
No,
I'm with
brilliant.
you with that one.
Thank you.